All right, a quick update on AVT here. So what I did here on the chart is we're just kind of zooming out and looking at the overall picture for AVT. And if we simply draw a very large support and resistance box here, that kind of tells us, from the resistance all back here to now breaking over that, which we had resistance there and there, and we are back down inside this box. That kind of tells us this 786 here should be the bottom at about 269. So any lower than 269, then this thing may go lower than we anticipate here. So look to drop about another 7%, and if you fall lower, we have 196 for about a 33% drop here, and we'll just have to kind of reassess what's going on at that point. And as for holding the uptrend, you can see that if we simply draw an uptrend line here, that would also hold the uptrend on AVT here. And you could also even draw on the chart a very large falling wedge pattern here. And then we'll bring up the volume in just a second. So I'm just trying to show something different and a little bit more information on AVT because it's been going down and sideways forever, it seems like. So if we bring up the volume, if this is going to be a falling wedge pattern, you can see the volume came in, the volume has gone to pretty much zero, and that's exactly what you want to see inside of these bullish patterns here. And they tend to play out a lot better on the larger time frames here. So we are on the weekly chart. The momentum is clearly down from the price, and the weekly stock RSI is down here, just going completely sideways on the bottom. Let me zoom into this here and see if we have any kind of bullish cross going on. No, it's going all the way down here, so it doesn't look great here. So I would look for a 7% drop. If that support does not hold, then we're going to have to come down here for that drop, and then we'll just have to kind of readjust what's going on with AVT at that point. But if it holds, then the next stop, of course, is going to be $4. So if we come down here and we get a nice little bounce, the next resistance is going to be a 49 to 50% move here. But out of this pattern, if we do find a bottom and we spike out of here and the volume comes back in, we're probably going to spike all the way up to the 1272 here at about 670 and move up about 150%. So just be aware of that. So as of right now, as long as you're over this support level, it does look extremely good and bullish in my opinion for the overall chart here. Now, as for how high this thing is going to go, we do have a potential target up here at the 2272 at about $43. And that's going to give AVT here a $258 million market cap. And you can see here almost a 1400% move, which would give you about a 15x going from where you are today pretty much. And if we move this down to the 618, that turns into about a 16x. So not a bad return on investment in my opinion here. So what are your thoughts on AVT at this point? None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.